back with another vlog today. Today I'm not hearing right now, guys. And if I think I'm talking really weird, that's because I don't have my hair now. But anyway, make sure you are subscribed to the okay for turn post notification bell on so you are notified when I send my video. So let's get into it. Today, guys, I actually just finished my breakfast. Now I have to finish my smoothie first of all. And then after that, I'm gonna actually go upstairs and get ready. But you don't need to see me get ready. See you after school. Peace out. As I am home, everybody, I'm just done with school. I just want to be done with school for today, guys. Just felt exhausted. I just need a break from school. So I have a special guest, which I can show you. You know what special guest is. It's Vickers 106. But first of all, I have to get changed, and then I will show you the special guest. Dun dun dun. Alright guys, so I'm gonna go in the car right now, and I'm rushing because we're running like really bad. So anyway, I'm gonna go in the car right now, guys. Guys, so we have Vickers 106 in the car. Yeah, and we did the same thing as last year, so this is the second time he's doing it again. Post Family Farm, it's the same thing again. Go check that previous video that's from a year ago, almost a year ago now, guys. So go check it out, guys.
So this is what I was talking about. There's a camera on the side of the car, and we can see what's
It's
going
really
on.
nice.
Should we take it? No, I think we gotta turn it off soon.
Yep. Right turn, everybody.
You're going to take this to the end and turn.
Welcome to our live coverage of the right turn. Whee! This concludes our live broadcast of Right Turns, presented
Yes.
by Mrs. Wiseman, sponsored by VidKid 106. We'll see you guys next time on Left Turns.
Guys, so we're at the farm. Here at Post Family Farm, guys, there is a huge big set of playground. We went on the other slide last year, so check that video out. And now we have to go sign in and get our bracelet.
Oh
They
my
have to get
God.
bracelets. I don't know if we have to. Guys, we're gonna go on the playground right now, guys, so it'll be really great. Yeah.
Every year when I take it.
We're gonna go on there now. You got this. You got this.
Dang it, my phone's dead.
Hey guys, so I'm probably gonna go on the playground, so we're gonna do some cool shots. We might go on the slide as well. Probably gonna be a little different this year compared to last year.
Alright,
Hey guys, we're gonna go on the slide from last year, so we're gonna do it again. We're gonna get the best shot ever. What's up, guys? I am going on the slide right now. We did this last year. Can I go up there? Catch you down there.
Let's try that again. Let's try that again.
Yeah. Whoa. Hey, we got Vickers 106. Wow.
Alright, I'm done.
That guy. One more time for Vickers 106, and then I'll be trying to do it again. Vickers 106. Yeah, this is serious, guys. I have to watch out. So it might be not a good camera angle, guys. I'm gonna go down the slide with my camera. I just fell and hurt myself.
Can I see the video?
This kid is awesome. He likes to tackle people. We're going down up in the climbing room. I'm not gonna be coming for you. Go down that one. Yes. Same slide again. Go. What? I like to tackle people. He's gotta love getting videotaped because he wants to be real. Action!
Don't try this at home.
Yeah, if you try this at home, guys.
Now it's time to get a drink and water.
Stop! Here's your mom, Will. Will. You need to not get tackled from you.
Come on, I'm going. You can come if you want. I want donuts. So I'm going.
All right. He's gonna keep getting tackled by Will. But you're gonna fall on your knees, kid.
There goes my phone.
Yes! You made it! Let's go! I can't even do that, so I'm just gonna like skip that part. Yeah. We definitely need to do something fun, guys. I'm gonna do one more video, guys, on the slide, and then I'm gonna actually do something else cool that you guys want to see. So if you guys don't like it, that's okay, guys. Will got it. Let's go on the little. Alright guys, so we're gonna be going on this zip line. It's gonna be awesome, it's gonna be amazing. I've done this before. This is a higher one. I hope you guys enjoy it. There we go.
Oh, go.
Ah! Yeah, I'm not doing that. I'm gonna just.
Well, I failed trying to go down with the iPad, so
Yes,
that's not
that
gonna
one we
happen.
dropped. That was a bad video.
Let's go to a replay of that.
Go.
Woo! Oh, jeez. Ow, my hand.
Action.
Bad ideas. All right. Ah.
Whoa!
No! Ah!
Alright guys, we're gonna go back on this again. Take 2. Again. It's great.
Take 2. We did it!
Yes!
Let's do it again.
Let's go!
Let's go.
Action!
You guys should hire me as your cameraman. That's pretty great.
Yay! Let's go!
That
Guys,
was the greatest camera work ever.
yeah, that was incredible. Like, that was great. So make sure you subscribe. He's the best cameraman.
Yeah.
And now we're gonna go get some donuts, guys.
She should be my editor.
Yeah.
Hey, your friend? What's up?
Here you go. He's a good boy.
I think you're gonna beat him.
Need to give them food. No, we were getting the donuts again. He was being the cameraman. So, good job to him.
Greatest cameraman.
donut place, guys. It's gonna be great. Alright guys, we're gonna be tasting some donuts. Ready? 3, 2, 1. So good. And so I'm eating my second donut. I had my first, I ate it all. I had apple cider, but I was supposed to get hot. Unfortunately, that didn't get turned on. And so for those reasons, it's not working. So now it's working now. So now it's heating up. It's gonna be a while. So we're gonna come back in, get apple cider and warm. So.
Aww.
It smells
No, he's
good.
nibbling your hand. Aw, you're so sweet.
That was funny.
Yeah, he was like almost biting
Nibbling
his
at my
hand.
hand. He was nibbling at it. But he doesn't have teeth, so.
He always has it on the bottom.
Alright guys, I'm gonna lay it.
Ah!
I was talking about how I was gonna litter to Kendall because I didn't see any trash cans nearby, which I see one now. But so I just threw it on the ground and it landed like this.
Now, some of you might have some red coupons for going through the corn maze and the pumpkin field, but you can hand them to me when you get off the ride. So we're going to head out there. Pumpkins start at $1 and go up from there depending on their size. So we're going to head out then and see you later.
The cameraman is the best.
Yeah, guys, so we're on this thing right now. The guy just like, oh, see you later. But anyway, we have this 2 trailer. We never had that happen before. We only have 1. Now we have 2. So it's gonna be great, guys. So enjoy. Alright guys, we are here at the gourmet. We are going to be doing this again. We figured it out. We're going to see if we can figure out this in first try. If we can't, oh well, we'll do it. Okay, so we're going to be entering the gourmet, guys.
And we're gonna try to beat our parents. So we got.
Yes!
Alright, so we just went this way because everyone else has gone the other ways.
Yeah, so we're going to try to beat our parents.
We're gonna beat them.
For the first time, guys. Please
No, we beat them.
mash that like button.
Okay, so we need to remember that. Satisfying sounds of the cell of the wires. I don't know if you can hear it though. Listen.
Keep moving on. We got to beat our parents, baby. By the time we beat our parents, they're going to win. So please, we need to move. Hurry up, guys. Alright. So, what does this next note says?
We haven't been here yet.
We have not gone this way, guys.
It said it was originally a pig farm, so this side is a little bit different than the other one. Aw, dead end. I knew it.
Alright.
Who here is excited for the Halloween? Alright, we've already been here. Which way did I think we turned that way and then went that way, which was a stupid move by us. Let's go straight. Have you guys made it? You haven't made it? You guys haven't made it all the way yet? No, we haven't. That way.
We haven't found this
Oh,
spot
wait.
yet.
No, we haven't.
Nope. So we still have to find it, but it's parents versus kids. So we're gonna do that right now, guys. We're gonna go this way, guys. So the parents haven't found to the end, kids.
Oh, we haven't seen this sign yet.
Told you.
Okay.
You BB gun.
So we haven't been here yet. That's a dead end over here. So.
Alright guys, so we don't know where we're going. So it's kind of going a loopy around. And we're not trying to do that, so we're trying to figure out a way out the gourmet to other side to see the pumpkin and pick out a pumpkin. And apparently, we still can't find it. So we're going to try to beat the parents as possible. If we can't beat them, that's okay. We'll check you guys on later once we find where we're going. We haven't seen this sign yet, so we're going to keep going this way, guys. Seriously, you can't cheat. If you cheat, and then the other team wins. So, yeah, technically.
make it to the end? Oh, exit. We did it. Yeah. Well, that took a while.
Yeah, that's Alright guys, so we're gonna be finding some pumpkins. Vicky's just gonna find one. I'm gonna find one too. So let's get going on the pumpkins. Pumpkin.
My new pumpkin. I think this will be my pumpkin.
Yeah, but I think we got it, and I think I just found mine too. What the heck? So I think this might be it.
No, do you want to see another one? Another bigger one.
I like this one.
So we were wrong the whole time. That's the enter. That's the exit. The enter and exit are really close to each other.
So I already found a big pumpkin, but I didn't show you my big pumpkin. And I think my big pumpkin is actually right there, guys. That's the best pumpkin of all. Now, guys, we are actually waiting for the next stop. Unfortunately, we waited. So that tractor we might be going on.
Let's
if
go.
we do, we will go on it. This guy didn't even know where we were. We were just like standing right there. And these other people over there are standing over there. We are already over there at the pumpkin. Right there, so. Alright.
Gain 3 pumpkins. Oh. Watch out, watch out, watch out.
You literally just killed it on my forehead.
I'm gonna watch that video through.
We are here, back where we were before. Hey guys, so we're gonna paint these pumpkins and look at this beautiful barn out there. Down. Guys, it's the end of the video today, guys. Hope you guys we give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to Big Kid Little Six and also subscribe to me. He has gained more subscribers, so that's great. And at least gained 2 more subscribers. And I hope you guys having a great day and night. And sorry I have to end this video. My hand really hurt. So peace out, guys.